our paddock. Backburn. Nicely controlled backburn. Let's check it out. Nice. Oh, they could have burned this path. Didn't burn the path. Bugger them. Burnt everything but the path. Wow. Alright, let's see where we go. What's this surface like? Very loose soil. That's our trail there, a bit overgrown. Gotta cut that back. That's our trail. Ooh. There's a gobbler. Actually easier to walk on the backburn than the actual trail. A little bit steep. Let's get going. I would have liked them to have backburnt this area. I did down there. Interesting selection of bits to burn. Yeah, let's come all the way back here. It burned all the way back up. I'll show you that in a second. This is our location for the new lookout, Mullaloo lookout. Looking a little bit worse away. This is it though. It's a great spot. It's a great spot. I haven't been up here for a while. Really breezy. Now let's go a bit higher. Check out the red chairs. Show you the red chairs. Don't think there'll be snakes up here. Could be. Been burnt back nicely. Looks like a natural path somewhere around here. Yeah. It's a bit steep in parts. Hard to maintain. Well, the trees survive the burning. Here we go. And check it out. They didn't burn back the red cheese. Yay! Burned up here. Jeez, I bet you they sat down here and had a good look at the back burning. Wow.